Welcome to the Jasper School Management System tutorial. In this part of the video, we will be talking about the other functionalities made available to the head teacher, and we'll be starting with the students' data review. The head teacher has the authority to view the report sheet of every student in every class. So remember, during the setup we said the school has or will be operating 8 classes, and so here we have 8 options. So for example, if I choose basic 6, it automatically loads the data for basic 6. So I choose a student and click on view. This loads the report sheet for the student called Gabriel Sunday. It shows me the test score, the exam score, the total score, the position in subject, maximum, minimum, and the average scores per subject. It shows me the final position of the student, the total score, the percentage, and also the attendance if there is, or if the class teacher uploads the attendance details. That's one functionality. So you can check another student, can check other students details. Okay, then we'll go to the next functionality, which is the teacher data review. This part of the application helps you monitor the activities of your teachers. So for example, we can check the performance level for the basic 6 teacher. So for this, it says the basic 6 teacher is it's a good teacher by performance. For first term, we can check this performance. For the second term, see, it says a very poor teacher by performance, needs to be checked. So this basically helps us to weigh the performance of various teachers in different classes. Here you can also edit the password. You can change the password of your employees, so if need be. All right, back to head teacher panel. Another functionality is the notice manager. Via the notice manager, the head teacher can send notices out to other employees in the organization or in the school. So for example, we could type a new notice, let's say public holiday upcoming. So we say hello, this is to notify everyone of the upcoming holiday on the 7th of July 2015. So with this, you include the details of the people who will be needing to see the message. So all I'll simply do is to, okay, I want this to go to all employees, not just teachers, and definitely all classes. And then the category of the message, I want it to be very important. So after including this basic information, I will then send the update. Message sent. I can also come here to update the message as appropriate. So for example, public holiday upcoming, I do check. Say public holiday upcoming, hello, this is to notify this. So if there is something I need to change, I can say okay, the spelling of July 2015, and then I send the updates. I could also remove notice which is no longer needed by the school. Okay, so again, another functionality which is really appreciated is the approvals and settings functionality. This is actually the heartbeat of the Jasper School Management System. So from this place, you begin a session and you also end the session. So what you need to do here is to set the fees, the various fees for the various, we have 8 classes as we set from the setup frame. Set the school fees and the other fees, because apart from the school fees there might be other fees which the school might be charging in terms of fees for books and other related fees. So you set the fees as appropriate. So for example, for school fees basic 4, we can say 4,000 naira. Okay, now other things you could do is to set the password with which a student who intends to retake an examination will need to input first before taking the examination. So this password will only be known to the administrator, so whatever you set it to be. The maximum test score, the maximum examination score, the number of days for which books borrowed out from the library will stay before it becomes due for return, the number of weeks for your first term, the number of weeks for second term, the number of weeks for third term. This will help out in the attendance correlation. You can also set the current ongoing term and highlight or check the concluded term. So it's possible for you to be in second term, not yet concluded, but you've concluded first term. So you can also be in second term and then you've concluded second term. So it all depends on the current situation. So after setting all these parameters, because you need all these parameters to run your school, then you click on the start and continue session. Also, if you want to end the session irreversibly, that you want to start a brand new session, you click on the end session button. So for now, I want to start new session. Okay, it says please make sure none of the fee fields is left empty. So we can see there's no fee placed here, so we have to put, it can be 0, it can be any amount, but make sure it's not empty. Okay, so session is in progress. Okay, with this we've come to the end of the various functions which the head teacher of a school can carry out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.